Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So for today's video, we're going to continue on with our graduation series, but we're going to make party favors, more specifically chip bags. I have everything you need in the description box below. If you like the video, you learned something new, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin the tutorial, we're going to go ahead and start off in canva.com. Go on over here to create a design. And we're going to be using, go down here to custom size, and we're going to be using 8.5 by 11 size paper, but we just need to turn it landscape. So we're going to enter 11 by 8.5 for our dimensions. So the first thing we're going to do is go up here to File, select Show Rulers, and we're going to use this as a guide. So we're going to go over here and then you just kind of drag this out, and we're going to put our first line to the 2.75 about. Now this is all approximate, you guys. It's not set in stone. Make any adjustments that you need, okay? So I'm going to go take another line and move it all the way on this side and put it like at the 8.75. Because when you fold your paper, hold on, let me try and get it up. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Because when you fold your paper, right, this is the main part, and these are like the sides that you fold in the sides. So those are the dimensions that I'm working with today. And we just want to keep our main design within these guidelines right here. So I'm just going to go to my uploads and just insert some things just basically for the purpose of this video. I'm going to use this as my main picture, so I'm just going to enlarge it just a little bit. And I'm going to click this background because I don't want it to be white. And one thing I love about Canva is, like, if you upload an image, it'll take the colors out of that image and put it in here for you, right? So I'm just going to grab this blue from the image that we've already created. Let me just enlarge it just a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to grab a couple more things from the uploads. Nothing fancy. I'm just going to keep it simple this time. You know, as a crafter, sometimes I find myself doing the most. And guys, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I have tons of super helpful, awesome videos like this weekly, every Tuesday, and usually on Thursdays we stitch. I do embroidery or sewing tutorials on Thursdays, usually. So I'm just going to center that, and let's just go grab something from the elements. Let's just grab a barcode. Okay, so I went to elements and I just grabbed a barcode and I grabbed some nutrition facts, okay? So now we have our design. We're going to go up here to download and we're going to save this as a PNG to our computer. We're going to hit save file, go ahead and open it. And I'm going to use my Epson EcoTank 2750 to print this. Go down here to more settings. Okay, so when you print, make sure it's on landscape. Make sure you do your premium photo paper and your borderless printing on. In my opinion, the Epson EcoTanks are the best printer for these type of projects because the ink lasts forever. I've done so many printings and you guys see the ink levels haven't even moved. So anyway, so now that our picture is all printed out nice, pretty, and vibrant, we're just going to go ahead and fold it. And then we're going to apply a nice, thin, even layer of hot glue along the edge and then seal it up. And once we have that all nice and sealed, we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the bottom. Nice, thin, even layer of hot glue and close it up. You can also use double-sided tape, but I can't find mine. So I'm just going to go ahead and stuff the chip bags inside, and then I'm just going to add another nice, thin, even layer of hot glue and close it up. Now you can leave it like this, or you can take it up just a little bit by using a paper crimper and give it that real chip bag effect. And that's it, you guys. There you have it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.